Welcome back, everyone. Knife Eats has gone international. We just got off a 23-hour flight from Chicago to downtown Bangkok, and we're really excited. We saw this vendor outside on the side of a busy road making Thai banana pancakes, so we're really excited to try that. We're about to do that right now. We just got the email from the hotel stating that our COVID results are negative, so we could actually leave. We've been in the room for like 10 hours locked up. We're also trying Japanese dankatsu cutlets, and it looks crazy. Come along with us.
I'm so hungry.
I know.
I can't wait. I want those little pastries.
Oh my god.
So we just left our room, and upon getting off the elevator, we seen this beautiful cherry blossom tree in the lobby of the hotel, and it is gorgeous. The ceilings are so high, the floors are marble, and I cannot get over that beautiful cherry blossom tree. Let's head outside. The view is amazing. Oh my god.
Bangkok is a busy city. You have to look right, you have to look left. Cars driving on the opposite side of the road. If you're coming from a country where you drive on the right side, you kind of have to flip and look both ways twice. These cars just kind of jump in and no turning signals, and it's pure chaos, but that's Bangkok. We're gonna go see, we saw this street food vendor and it looked pretty good. He was having like some fried sweet dish. We're gonna go try it out. Are you excited?
It's so hot. It's so hot. But I'm excited. They looked really good. They look crispy and like, I don't know, like a pancake but crispy.
Yeah, it's kind of like a folded crepe almost that he was making. We're excited to go try it. It's actually right there. Whole bunch of shops over there.
so good. It's like sweet and buttery. I can't wait. It's gonna clog my arteries for sure. Alright, so we have the dessert and it smells so good. It smells buttery and sweet. And this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh. He put it in this plastic bag. And then we have some, I don't know how to use this. Oh my god, it's so hot. I'm gonna burn my tongue. Oh my god, that is so good. It's like crispy, sweet banana. It's delicious. And then there's sweetened condensed milk on the top that just adds like a creaminess to it. It's so good. It's so good. It smells so good. It smells sweet. This is one of the best things I've ever had. It's crispy and then soft and warm on the inside from the banana. And then the sweetened condensed milk on the top just gives it like a creamy sweetness. It's so good. I think I'm gonna go get another one because it's this good. It's so hot. Look at the inside. You see the banana? It's like creamy.
Don't let it fall. You're like infamous for that.
It reminds me of a funnel cake, but like chewy and crispy instead of like crunchy like a funnel cake. But it's like a similar flavor. And then with the warm banana on the inside, it's just like creamy and delicious. This is so good. You have to try this.
They put sugar on it. Oh my god, this is so good. It's crispy. This is delicious. Hey, we should actually go get another one.
That's what I'm saying. I'm literally,
It's so
I
good.
wasn't kidding when I said this. I'm like, why are you
We're fighting.
stick?
We're fighting for this stick when there's two of them. This is like, you know, it's good when you guys race to finish it. That's what's happening right now. We're like racing each other with sticks to who gets the last one or who gets the most. This is so good.
I know. I'm gonna miss this. Why don't we have this back home?
Hey, it's our first street food that we tried, and luckily it's like right outside our hotel room. It's like right there, like half a block away. You know what? We'll wake up, get the crepes.
And good coffee.
Midday, get the crepes. At night, get some more crepes. Actually, they're probably not even called crepes, but the way he was stretching the dough out was pretty cool. He was like throwing it on the working station. Let me try another one of these. The condensed milk is what really puts it over the top.
And then the sugar, like he sprinkles sugar and you can like taste the texture or like feel the texture. It's so cool.
Yeah.
Kind of like when you put sugar on cornflakes, you know, like it's the same.
I was never allowed to do that.
The people that know. It's so good. We're literally, like, there's one piece left and we're splitting it. This is the best dessert I've ever had.
That was really good.
Oh my god. I need more.
And it was less than $1, like 20 baht.
The little crispy pieces. Oh my god.
That's the last bite.
There's like a tiny bit more. The banana is so good. My favorite fruit is banana, so I knew I was gonna like this. Alright. That was a really good first street food. That was our first bit of street food we've had. That was pretty, I don't know how we're gonna top this because it was that good. Alright, let's go find some more food.
Okay. So we came to this Japanese restaurant and they specialize in katsu. I think it's a pork katsu. The one has a cheese in the middle. Marina ordered the one that has essentially the plain katsu. And we're here talking. And we're at a whole different restaurant, and she's still talking about the pastry she had underneath the bridge.
I cannot get over that pastry. It was so good. My favorite fruit is a banana, so it just makes sense that I love that pastry dessert thing. It was so good. It was crispy, buttery. It had sugar, that sweet condensed milk. It was so good. After this, I'm gonna go get another one. I'll probably have one every day until we leave.
That's a good plan.
I might gain like 10 pounds, but
maybe we could actually freeze it. No, I got a plan. We buy them, stack them, freeze them, and then we'll ship it to us in the States.
23 hours.
Well, that's if we take the plane. I mean, if we ship it, I don't know how we're gonna do it. Maybe we gotta figure out a way to reproduce what that gentleman made for us. Actually, our food is actually coming right now.
Thank you. It was so good. Thank you. Sit here. What's the miso? That's cool. Oh, is this teriyaki?
Tangy.
It reminds me of the katsu sandwiches that we had in our other video.
They're so juicy.
It's tangy like an A1 sauce. Have you ever had that? Have you had that?
I mean, I had it once.
A ghetto thing, yeah.
Did she just say A1 sauce? We flew 23 hours. We're right next to Japan. There's a Japanese restaurant, genuine Japanese restaurant. And she says the dankatsu sauce tastes like A1 sauce? That's how you know that you're American. It's okay. We're not cultured yet. We will get there. We'll be able to describe flavors for you guys. That'll come with time. Does it taste like ketchup, Marina?
No, it tastes like A1 sauce.
All kidding aside, the dankatsu is so juicy. And then I got the one with cheese. Oh my god. And then we do this. You have to grab the dankatsu sauce. It's like a tangy, sweet. It's so good. This is so good.
Wait, I'm confused.
It's almost like barbecue-like.
Okay, A1 sauce. It's like tangy.
It's like tangy. It's acidic. It's sweet.
It's like if you put.
And then the rice is like sticky and really moist. That was really good. Matter of fact, what you have to do here is actually put some of the sauce, grab some of the cabbage, the sauce, put it in the rice. It was really good. The hotel that we're at is a Japanese hotel. So it's only fitting to put a Japanese restaurant in their main floor. You see it?
How are we supposed to eat this?
Maybe like this.
I was like, oh, are we supposed to like drink it like the Holy Trinity or something.
It's really good.
The cabbage is done so thin. It takes skill to chop it this thin. I know because I tried. It's delish. Get some more of my chicken katsu. The way to do it is to put a little bit of everything in your mouth, and it's just like delicious. And then we have this drink, some kind of lemon drink. It's really good, it's really sweet. There's green tea in it, I think. Yeah, green tea. It's really good. Yeah, it's 0 sugar, but somehow it's really sweet, so it's some kind of chemical.
It's an artificial sweetener, probably is what it is.
Whatever. Química. Anywho, I'm starting to crash. I'm starting to get so tired of nowhere. I didn't really sleep on my flight. Oh god, I almost dropped it. So I'm getting really tired. I think I need a power nap.
Thank you guys for watching today's video. That Thai banana pancakes was freaking delicious. We didn't get it on video, but we actually went back to get more because they were so good. And if you did like the video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see more of our adventures, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys.